how to use converter for converting QIF files, financial QIF files into SQL script. And basically we need this converter when if you have QIF financial data files, one or many files, and you want to move them into SQL database. So you can see on my computer I have a sample QIF file. This is example file I will be using for demo purposes. And you can see I can double click on it to open into QIF viewer. It's a free app and it's showing what is inside of QIF file. And we have date, we have amount, we have PE, memo, category, number, and so on. I will be converting this data into SQL script with application I will download and install from website. I will link on this site into description. Now, this viewer also, I will leave link on this viewer as well. This viewer can export into different format like Excel, Word, CSV, XMLs, and so on. But it cannot also, I can filter and search data if I want to, but it cannot create SQL. For SQL, I will download and install application from this website. And to find the application, I'll click on search and type QIF. Right, QIF, I did typo. And I will click on QIF to SQL and click on download, process to start downloading. But let me remind you that QIF is quick and inter-exchange format, is commonly used for financial data, and yeah, it contains like you saw on a viewer transaction information. Okay, so I have my archive downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click more info on this screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so click more info. Publisher unknown, publisher, so I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. Now, we install an application because we don't want our QIF file to be uploaded to the internet, right? If we have a converter in our local machine, we can convert one or many files, or even schedule conversion with command line or scheduling, Windows scheduling, without uploading or sharing these files into internet, right? So this is the whole purpose why we have we installed converter. So now I can close this and this and this, and you can see I have a new application installed and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. I can double click on it to launch. And now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select QIF file. I'll click on this, click here to select input files, and then I go to my sample QIF, click on open, click on next step. Here, if I want to add field, normally it's a good idea to add field to SQL, and I will keep it checked. And here I can select SQL server type. So for Microsoft SQL Server, for MySQL, or for SQLite. And I will select Microsoft SQL Server for demo, click on next step. Here I can preview my SQL script, and you can see it creates table and inserts into this table. And if you have more records or bigger QIF file, you will have more data in it. But you can see it's adding date amount, PE, category to it, and I can click save to save file. I can specify just this file name is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. And also in regards, if I want to build, I can select many QIF files, or if I want to build applications that launch this and create file. And so this is how I run it from command line. I can specify input.inputfile.qf and specify output script.sql, and yeah, I have to fix it. I will fix it on the website. and it will create output SQL file with exact name you gave it, and it converts automatically one or many. You can create scripts that pick all files from the folder, convert them into one SQL, and then just run this SQL. Or I can send SQL file to my DBA and ask him to run this file and to import all transactions into database. But yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Also, I will be recording more videos on QIF transformers to different formats, to different file types. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.